What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. We're going to jump into Dent, last video of the day. So if you get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So currently we're sitting at 2% on the day. And on the 7-day, we're up 3%. We're just kind of just consolidating right now for Dent. So we're going to go over the Twitter and then the technical analysis. So the market cap is 1.03 billion and the 24-hour volume is quite low, 155 million for Dent. So exciting announcement on April 30th. One of the most anticipated features we are working on right now. We can't wait to show you more, but this should give you a little glimpse. Leave a comment. So this is pretty exciting, guys. Be looking forward to when this comes out for Dent. So it's good that they're releasing some news because we haven't had news since April 15th. So it's good to see a little bit of news here coming from Dent. So let's pop over to the technical analysis here. A member of the Discord asked me to show him how to use the fib retracement. So that's what we're going to do. So you come over onto the left side, onto your tool panel here, right where my mouse is, and you just open it up, and then you go all the way down and you click fib retracement. You can even give it a star, and then when you give it a star, it will show up on your screen like you do here. So we can see here we're starting to have an uptrend. So if this is your bottom, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your absolute peak of your last swing high. See how the candlestick goes all the way? You have to go to the very peak of the green candlestick here. And then you're going to pull it all the way down. So your zero, I'll show it to you. You pull it all the way down to your very bottom. So you pull it to the bottom of the wick of the red candle here. And then it will say 0, right? So you have your 0, 0.022, 0 here, and 0 here. The color is gray for it. So you pull it all the way down from your top to your bottom, and it gives you lines of resistance and support. And the reason why it's extremely accurate is because all the day traders are using it. So if everyone's using the same fib retracement, you're going to hit the same levels, because when you hit those levels of resistance, you can see here the point 382 on the fib retracement, you can see bounced off, because the sellers are like, okay, I've hit the 0.32 on the fib, I'm going to sell, right? So that's how to use the fib. And then it can give you your levels of resistance, and then it can also give you some price predictions for what's to happen next. All right, guys. And then if you're on a downtrend, like let's say you start trending downwards, you would take it from your bottom, your previous bottom, and you would take it to your previous high. If you're on a downtrend, like let's say this was a downtrend, and it can give you levels of support and resistance for your downtrend as well. That's usually used if you're going to short it, like if you're going to short a stock or you're going to short a crypto, you would use that to place your orders for your shorts. But I don't really short stocks and I don't really short crypto because I believe in the companies that I'm investing in, and I don't want to short them because basically you're betting them on going down. So I don't hold it against anyone who likes to trade that way, but personally I don't like to short the companies that I'm investing into. So that's how you use the fib, just very basic. Pull it from the very top of your last swing high, your peak, all the way down to your bottom, and it will give you lines of support and resistance. All right, guys, so let's hop into it. We're on the 4-hour chart. So we're currently consolidating. We have our flag pattern here. I'm just going to draw my symmetrical triangle. And currently the price is just consolidating, which is okay. It's nothing to be worried about here. With my triangles are the absolute worst. So hopefully what we want to see is we squeeze and we break out, and then we can head up to that next price target of 0.13. Let's pull this out. If we break out right here, our next price target of 0.013 for Dent. So we're just consolidating it. It's fine to see this. It's healthy. We can see we had a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders, and we broke the neckline, so that's awesome. And we're just consolidating right now for Dent. We're resting on the 50 EMA, so nothing to be concerned about right now for Dent. So I'll quickly put it on the 1 day, and then we'll put it onto the 1 hour. So you can see your bull pennant here, and we're just consolidating, and we're beautifully bouncing off the 20 EMA, this yellow line here, and we're just consolidating and we're healing. Because if I pull it up on the 1 week, we can see here on the 1 week we broke away from the 20 EMA, and now we're coming back to it. So it's good to see, guys, that we're healing up. So I'll put it on the day, and I'll pop open the RSI, because I know the MACD, I don't think the MACD is really showing anything too interesting right now. Yeah, so the MACD, the blue line is the signal line. Usually I change it, but I'll have to set my defaults. I don't like the MACD being the blue line. I prefer it to be this, but that's not important. So we have a bit of we have a bullish cross, but now the lines are just kind of hugging each other. So what we want to see is that MACD start to trend back upwards. So I'll pull up the RSI on the 1 day here. The relative strength index. Yeah, we're healthy on the RSI, so that's good to see. Let's quickly put it onto the 1 hour chart. So nothing to be too concerned about on the 1 hour chart. We could break down to our 200 EMA at a 0.0106. As you can see here, we came down to it, but we're just consolidating right now. So hopefully we see that buying action, and we're able to break out back up towards 0.013. So let's do some price predictions here for like the month of May and for April for Dent. And the market corrects and we start trending back upwards for Dent. Our golden ratio is 0.618 right here. And if we're able to work our way up and we can turn this level into support and start trending back upwards, then we can go tackle our high up here for Dent at a 0.022. And then we can start trending towards a new price target, a new all-time high for Dent at a 0.027. All right, guys. So if you were to buy in here, let me squeeze this down at our current price, or if you bought in on this, actually, if you bought in on this bottom here, if you were smart cookie and you bought in right here, you'd be looking at about a 300% gain for Dent over the next couple of months. If BTC and Ethereum stay strong, we seem to be going through a nice healthy trend for both of them right now. And if you buy in at the current level, you're looking at 159% gain for Dent. So, I mean, Dent has so much life in it left, in my opinion. I want to see them releasing more news because they're kind of quiet and we want more catalysts, you know? So it's good to see this, but I want more news. But if we look on the 1 year, guys, like Dent's up 4,000%, but I know in their last bull run, hold up, guys, I'm just going to pull it up on CoinMarketCap. Because I'm pretty sure in the last bull run, Dent got to like 10 cents. And I've been waiting for Dent to like explode. I'm like, come on, man. It should happen pretty soon. But we'll quickly pull it up here on CoinMarketCap. Oh, my computer. Yeah, right here. Let me zoom in. So this is the last bull run. Yeah, 9 cents, guys, was our peak in the last bull run, 0.9. And currently Dent's sitting at 1 cent right now. So oh, this is frustrating. Currently we're sitting at 1 cent, as you can see right here. So the possibility for Dent to go back up to that high during this bull run and more, that's very possible. Most of the coins are breaking their all-time. Like, take a look at this bull run in 2018 and look where we're at right now for Dent. So there could be, you know, an absolute explosion for Dent over the next few months, because the last bull run we made it to 10 cents. So we'll see what happens. It's in the top 30. Like, I know it's top 30 for most viewed coins on CoinMarketCap. So obviously there's some serious interest in Dent. I know it's down here. Oh, it fell out. I think it fell out of the top 30, but it was sitting in top 30 for quite a while. So the interest is there. A lot of the big companies are getting knocked out by all the meme coins. Salt Swap Finance, and with the Salt Bay, oh my god. What will they Oh my goodness, what will they think of next? So like even Stellar XLM is moving down. Like these are huge companies, strong companies, and they're getting knocked out by Salt Swap Finance. Absolutely hilarious. All right, guys, that's it for Dent. Hope it helped with the Fibonacci, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.